Today we're on the road again with my nephew Doug, and he's got some frozen burgers, and we're going to show you how to turn the best burgers in Mahoning County into the best damn burgers you ever ate. So stick around, because this is going to be good. Hey, I just wanted to show you guys, this is what we're cooking today. I've been told that these are literally the best burgers on the world. So we'll show you how Doug does them.
All right, so we're going to do these 5 minutes. Just set a timer once they're on here. And then after 5 minutes, we'll flip them. Let them go for 4 more minutes. Put some cheese on top and then let it go for 1 more minute just to let that cheese melt. And these things are going to be awesome.
I can't wait. These, how many minutes have they been on?
All right, so they've been on here for 5 minutes.
Oh, look at that.
We're going to let them go for 4 more minutes once they're flipped here. Yep.
And you put them on straight on frozen too.
Straight on frozen, just on high heat. Put that one toward the middle. So we're going to go 4 more minutes. Put some cheese on, and then let the cheese melt for a minute before we take them off to dig in.
Well, it doesn't get any easier than that, does it?
Not at all.
Son of a gun. Yeah, look at the temperature you got rolling on that thing. Well, you can't measure that with an abacus, can you? Oh, shoot, Doug.
All right, so we're going to get some pepper jack on a couple of these here. And we're going to get some cheddar on the rest of them. And then we'll let this go for 1 more minute to let the cheese melt, and these things will be ready to take off.
Nice. Boy, I'll tell you what, you can put that head-to-head against any fancy restaurant right off the rip, huh?
Right.
It'd take them to a laundromat.
Yep.
Well, look at that. You're smoking up the whole neighborhood. There's not a dog around here that's not salivating right now.
You could hear them barking in the background.
Yep. Perfect timing. Gee whiz.
So a total of 10 minutes, and these things are ready to take off. And you know what? I'm no cucumber scientist, but I think we're in a pickle here. I got to grab another plate.
Nice. Look at the bubbles on that cheese. Man, I'm telling you, Doug wasn't messing around. This is the best burger I've ever had. He grilled a big thick slice of onion earlier. We threw them on, a little bit of mustard on a pretzel bun. And it stands up to any burger you're gonna get in a restaurant. So if you want quick and easy, don't be afraid to try these frozen burgers, because they are the best burger I think I've ever had. So thanks for watching. You guys have a great day. Get off your butts, fire up your grills, and see what you can do, because everyone can grill.